Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips, and this is tips and tricks, and this is the third video I've made today on this. Rotating around, when you have trouble finding the center of an object, I always, to rotate this around, I always have to put indexing lines and have it snap to, it's always a little bit of a hassle, and I've already done one. If you could put the coordinates at an equal amount, if you go, well, you could actually do that, put your deal right here, and let's put it at, 12 minus 12, and it would minus 12. And now your object is at 12 minus 12, so you could take this, snap it to that, and click on that item and change this to 12 minus 12, and you'll do that. But instead of changing all that and finding the sweet spot for that, and this is kind of funny, but it would actually work. Well, one, you could put it to that corner of the page and then rotate around 0, 0. And I started thinking, why don't we bring 0, 0 to here? And maybe you don't know this little icon right here is to set your page, at 0, 0. Well, why don't you take it and it'll snap to the center of that object. Now the center of that circle is at the center of the page. All we have to type in is 0, 0. You don't have to type in any minuses. And all you have to do to get it back is just take it again and have it snap to your page. And if it's set that at default, when you shut down Corel, it'll go back there anyway. So just kind of playing around. It's kind of neat to know things like that if you ever needed to rotate. And I'm going to start using it when I'm doing the center of the page. Because sometimes I have trouble getting an object in the center of the page or getting my rotation in the center of the page. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.